Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. The first three notes just happen to be Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Alright, I'll make it simple. Listen. Do, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do, oh, oh, oh. Do, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do, oh, oh. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do, so, do. Hi everyone. How do you feel today? Oh, great. Today we are going to learn all about letter D. Which letter we are going to learn? All about letter D. I am going to teach you how to write letter D, the sound of letter D, the word starts with letter D, the jolly phonic song of letter D, and hands-on activities for letter D. Are you ready? Yes, here we go. Letter D is a consonant. As you all know, there are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. First, I will teach you how to write uppercase D. Now you all know this is our headline and this is our leg line. These two lines we are calling as tummy lines. When you write uppercase D, we start from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a standing line. It should be very straight and go back to the top and a bump starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line. One more time, standing line starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line. Stop it and go back to the top. A bump starts from a headline and it goes to the second tummy line. We call this letter as mother D, uppercase D, capital D. You also can try with me. Take these two fingers. You can do air tracing with me. See, like this. A standing line, go back to the top. A bump starts from the headline and goes to the second tummy line. See, standing line, go back to the top and starts from the headline and a bump. It's like a close curve also. Did you watch my lesson pre-writing skills? If you didn't watch it, please watch it before starts letter writing. This we call as uppercase D. Now I will show you how to write lowercase d. First we will start from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a standing line. Go back to the first tummy line. It means the first blue line, and around, come down to the second tummy line. See, one more time. Standing line starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line. Stop it. Go back to the first tummy line, and it's just like an open curve also. Yes, the second, it should be touch the second tummy line. This letter we call as lowercase d, small d, baby d. Do they look same? No. Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What is the sound of letter D? D. D. What's the sound of letter D? One more time. D. D. One more thing I want to tell you. See, if I am writing a letter like this, listen carefully, this is very important. See, what is this letter? This is lowercase b. Do you remember we have done that lesson? Yes, this is lowercase b and this is lowercase d. Standing line, curve, open. Standing line, the curve close, it is lowercase b. Most of the children confuse these two letters. So I'll give a tip for you. See, you think this is a bird. This is the beak of the bird. See, this is the beak of the bird. Okay? And this is the tail of the bird. This bird is flying to high like this. So, the bird's body always like this way. You think this is like a duck. Duck is going to this way. This is your duck and this is your bird. Bird is going fly in the sky like this and duck is going this way. Clear? Bird and duck. Okay. Now I am going to tell what are the words starts with letter D. Number 1, doll. It's a small model of human figure. Typically, it's a baby or a girl. Oh, where's my girls? Do you like to play with doll? Yes, it's a lovely toy. Do you have a doll with you? I'll show you. This is my doll. Okay? Number 2, door. Door is a movable object which used to close the entrance. Do you remember when you enter to the home, you open the door and come in and close it. Number 3, donut. It's a fried cake. It's a sweet food. But don't eat too much donuts because it's a unhealthy food. Number 4, doctor. Doctor is a qualified person who treats patients. Who become to be a doctor? Oh, good. Number 5, duck. Duck. It's a water bird. Duck cannot fly. Actually, duck is a female bird. The male bird is drake. Now you all know what are the words starts with letter D. The sound of letter D. What's the sound of letter D? D. D. And how to write letter D? What are the words which we learned today? Yes. Number 1, doll. Yes. Number 2, door. Yes. Number 3, donut. Number 4, doctor. Yes? Yes, duck. Now, are you ready to sing with me? Yes. Shall we sing jolly phonic song of letter D? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. With the da. See me play on up my drum. Do you like to sing again? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. With the da. See me play on up my drum. Good job! Now we all know how to write letter D. The word starts with letter D, the sound of letter D, and the phonic song of letter D. It's the time to do hands-on activities. Are you ready? Dear children, before you do the hands-on activities, please make sure to wear your apron. And one more thing, if you don't have popsicle sticks and pipe cleaners, you can use semolina, fine salt, pushy bags, Play-Doh, and many things. Today I am going to use pipe cleaners and popsicle sticks for my letter D activity. Dear children, it's the time to do the hands-on activities. I am going to use these popsicle sticks and pipe cleaners. So I'll show you how to do uppercase D. We have to bend the pipe cleaner like this, and we can do letter uppercase D like this. Okay? Yes. Now I will show you how to do lowercase d. It's like this, and take piece of pipe cleaner and make like this. This is lowercase d and this is uppercase D. It's very easy and fun. You can do with your mama. My next lesson is letter E. Before starts letter E, please practice letter D with your mama. See you soon. Bye bye.